2 months ago, I brought a Beetle, and it was really nice. But I can handle it, you know? Like, I can handle that people say, well, Matthew, you go up there and you make fun of yourself. No, I don't. I come up here and I tell you the things that I heard people say. That's the difference, you know? Sometimes I set myself up for jokes, and I don't realize it. I bought the car because it was affordable, economical. I was like, yay! I go to show it off at my friend Martin's house because I thought it was nice. I pull up, you know. Martin! He lives in the hood. I don't get out of the car. Across the street, there are these gang members. So I'm there in a Beetle, and across the street, I hear this, right?
快看啊，这是《速度与激情》的小子。
什么？
And over here, I hear this.
注意，有一辆蓝色的车已经停在你的房子旁边了。
干什么呢，小子？
伙计们，怎么了？最近怎么样？你是怎么进去的？
我们挺好的。
够了
Hurry up, Martin!
小子呀，小子，小子，
怎么了？ But it was kind of cool. But then, here's where it gets interesting. I'm driving and all of a sudden this boy's talking to me.
In 3/4 tenths of a mile, left turn. Right turn up ahead.
Whatever you say, buddy.